What's up everyone? Today we have the iPhone 15 Pro. This one is black titanium, 256 gigs, and we're going to be unboxing this one today. Oh wow, that camera array is huge. This thing actually has, like, you know, symbols of where things are. Power down there, power over here, mute, volume up, volume down. And the interesting thing about this one is it's got a USB-C port. The first iPhone ever to have USB-C. Well, the first line of iPhones. That includes the 15 lineup. Look at that. Well, it's not Thunderbolt, I don't think. It's just USB-C. But I can get a really nice cable, like this one, which came with my Apple Studio displays for this purpose. Really nice. And it also supports the 3.0 standard, USB 3. In here, do we still get Apple stickers? Yes, we do. A smaller one, actually. You no longer need a physical SIM card. Activate your eSIM during iPhone setup. Okay. Oh, there's a laser in it? I didn't know that. It's a Class 1 laser product. Look at that. That's what this new iPhone is. It's got lasers and stuff. Alright. And they include a braided USB Type-C cable, C to C. However, it's not color coded to the phone, unfortunately. I would have liked a black one, that would look cool. Alright, this one does have the dynamic island for the facial recognition and camera. As you can see on my camera, it's sort of split into two parts. You see it? You see that area between where the lens is plus that other black dot? Except that area is always black, right? Well, we'll have to see. I never owned a phone with the dynamic island. I skipped the 14. I had the 13 Pro Max. Didn't really like it. And now I have this. And look at the rails on the side. The frame is now titanium, not stainless steel like it always has been. Here's my old phone that I'm going to be switching from. It's a 12 Pro. Look at that camera size difference. Look at that. Notice how this one is before the center of the phone. This one is way past that. So the camera takes up the majority of the width of the phone. I bought a case for mine because I don't want to drop my brand new phone and break it, because that'd be just awful. So I bought an OtterBox Defender XT, which has the MagSafe thing. I plan to use this thing in nightstand mode because my iPhone is my alarm clock. I don't have a regular alarm clock. It is my iPhone. Oh, and I also bought that wireless charging stand for it. I can show you later. No one would know it's a 15. It's not showing any of the titanium or any of that. It doesn't seem to be wrapping over all the way. We'll see. We'll see with time. If it eventually does. If it doesn't, I don't know if I can recommend this case. Alright, there it is. Super thin bezels as well. And it has the action button up here. So let's plug it in. I have one already connected to my iMac Pro in the background, as you can see. Let's see if this plug will even fit. There it is. Hold that power button. Apple logo, good. is amazing. I don't know how, but oh wow, there's that dynamic island stuff already. Nice, just the first thing. All right, all the normal stuff. Ooh. I'm fine with default for now. Actually, let's do quick start. Hold on. Let's do quick start. Hold on. How do I do it? So I'm here. How do I do? Oh, there we go. There we go. Let's go. So to scan this dot bubble or whatever, put it next to each other. Yeah, set it up for me. Put in the passcode. All standard stuff. All right, let's see how quick this start really is. I think you need to do that if you want to transfer the eSIM. I've already converted this one to an eSIM, so it doesn't actually have a physical SIM card in there. So we're moving all the stuff over. Transfer from another phone. Yes, do that. Transfer number. Yeah, so you do need to set it up in... You have to convert it to eSIM first, and then you can do that. Still activating. Initial setup is a little slow. But this is good because then I don't need to do an iCloud backup, then restore from backup. Although I know you can do a local backup to the computer. That's why I said I had it connected to my iMac Pro. I thought I would have to do that. Still, I guess, talking to AT&T and trying to activate it. So give it a minute. I'm going to try to get this video out as soon as possible. Hopefully I can get it out on Sunday, which is my normal video release date, or if I should do a special and get it out ASAP, like tonight or something. Update? Sure. Let's do it. Comment below if you actually read all of the terms and conditions for that. I know I haven't. Because like you've got to do something really wrong to violate those terms and conditions. Probably something morally wrong that no normal person would do. Anyway, it says enjoy your new phone. When you're ready, come back to come back to get this iPhone ready to be traded in, sold, or given away. I don't have anyone to give it to. I'm not trading it in. I'm selling it. Done. Awesome. So everything from here should be transferring over there. Turn on do not disturb. People keep messaging me. Okay, where is it in terms of doing that? Okay. I don't have that many apps and stuff on this phone, so it's mainly for like making calls at work, receiving email, listening to music, watching some YouTube videos, browsing the web. That's all. I only have some simple games from many years ago on this thing. And some relatively simple games as well. So nothing too special. I don't know, with those new games I heard at the Apple keynote, or whatever they call it, their event, I may have to download some. So yeah, they decreased the size of the Apple sticker, if I remember correctly. Alright, so I also am going to include some video shot on this iPhone, as well as perhaps maybe upload some videos that are not about this phone, but shot on this phone. I'll put that in the description. And I might link them below in the description of this video so you can go check it out. They probably won't be about the phone, maybe about another device I own, or about another topic. Alright, I'll get back to you when the phone's done, or if it does something. So I'll pause the video there. Alright, well, I've been using this phone for, I don't know, a month or two. Got in mid-September. Now it's almost mid-November as I film this, so about a couple months. So, I have to say, it's just like any other iPhone, but just made slightly better, just like they do every year with their phones. They take what they have and make it slightly better, which is exactly what this is. I do like the USB-C port. The camera are nice, you know. I like the case I got for it, which is the OtterBox Defender. It's got the MagSafe on the back. So I have a wallet on the back. So it's a good phone in terms of that. The Dynamic Island is new to me because I didn't own the 14 Pro. At most, I had the 13 Pro Max a couple years ago. But then I had the 12 Pro as a replacement for that. And now I have this. The action button, I've assigned it to actually voice recording for when I need to make a quick note for myself, let's just say. Well, I mean, I don't have much else to say about this phone. It just is an iPhone. Haven't tried many of the professional features. I did use this to film a few YouTube videos. I'll try to link them in the description if I do remember. So, let's talk about Geekbench scores. So, I'm in Geekbench here, as you can see. Here are the specs. Doesn't even say iPhone 15 Pro. They just call it 16,1. I think that's the internal name for it. iOS, up to the latest one, is an ARM processor, which is the A17 Pro. I don't know. It's got 7.5 gigs of RAM, although some others I thought they said 8. So CPU benchmark history. So here's my latest one. I had it plugged in, fully charged. Didn't do a reboot on it though. That could be why this one's higher, as I ran this one on September 27th, probably after a reboot, so it scored slightly higher. But here it is, after being used for a couple months. 2,904 single core and 7,246 multi-core. And then here are all the other numbers if you'd be interested. I'll link this in the description anyway, this test. Yeah, I'll just link it in the description. And then for GPU, the latest one today, I'm filming on November 9th, it got 27,436. I would like to compare that actually against a MacBook Pro 2020, which is one laptop I have owned that is like sort of a base model MacBook of sorts. So perhaps we can use that as a, I wouldn't say a benchmark, but for GPU, metal, just like this one, so it's using the same test. It got 9,124. I'll show you in a second. Hold on. So this is a test that I ran. I have a sort of an archive of all these tests. MacBook Pro 13-inch mid-2020, it got 9,124. And if you remember the CPU scores, sorry, it might be a bit wobbly because I don't have a tripod. So we got 2904 single core, 7246 multi-core. Oops. What's it focusing on? And for the CPU, that MacBook got 1281 single core and 4515. So theoretically, my phone's more powerful than a full-on laptop from just 2-3 years ago. Well, there's my thoughts on the 15 Pro. It's a good, sort of good upgrade if you value USB-C over Lightning, which I do. It's much faster. Transfers at 3.0 speeds. And it's surprisingly the same price as the previous phones. So that's good. Is it the same price? I think so. So if you like Apple, you like their phones, you want to upgrade, this is a good one. So thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. I know I said I would get the video done in like a few days after it's released or whatever, but I just forgot. I was busy with other stuff. So here it is 2 months later. So there it is. Thanks for watching.